Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what we do today. This market is still like looking sketchy, very chopped up, and I don't know. SPY seems to be wanting to stay at around 680. Like haven't done much, but we're gonna see today. Like, are we going to get a Christmas rally for next week? That's a big question right there, but we don't know yet. So let's see. So, but market have been very choppy. I have been analyzing those charts and like definitely like choppy, like badly. So, how are you doing, lady, this morning?
I am
How's everything
doing. I'm doing well, Davey. You know what? It's super mild this morning. Have you been out?
Yes, I went out.
Yes. So it's very nice and mild. Not good for an ice rink, but very nice out there.
When I woke up, it was actually 1 degree positive.
Okay, so it's going to be +4.
Ay,
Plus
ay,
4
ay.
tomorrow.
I'm sorry, Tio Joe.
Yeah, and +7 Friday.
Ay, ay, ay.
So 3 days of puddle on our beautiful, beautiful rink ready to skate. So besides that, doing well.
Nice. Yeah, that's a big one for you because it's a lot of work that you have put on. So, but
Yeah,
hopefully it doesn't go too bad.
exactly. But today, yeah, it feels like we're DR on the beach here. It's so mild.
Yeah, sure. I will take it. Let's feel those vibes. Yeah, so more than that, like that's unfortunate for the rink, but we're doing good.
Yeah,
Waiting for
and-
Christmas vacation and see what we're gonna do there. Kids
like-
and wife are only going to work and school this week, and then they are
They're
off.
off
Yeah,
next week, all of them.
2 weeks completely off.
Oh.
So
No, I thought that the girls were back at school in.
no, the last day for the girls is also the last day for bladder. Is
Oh,
Friday.
wow, this is going to be
That's it.
beautiful.
It's like our guy Saki is freer now, so now he have a life back. Yeah. So I'm looking at everything here, but like,
Well, I'm looking at SPY.
mhm.
And when we're looking at SPY, what we've got as levels and consolidations right now that may happen, we've got a 679.20, and that's obviously to the bid. So 679.20. And to the offer, we've got, and remember this, 682.20. So that seems to be ranges today. That obviously we still have 10 minutes for the open, but I'm gonna try to. No. Okay, so it's already there, 682.20, so I don't need to add it there. It's always been there. We remember that level. So it seems, I don't think that SPY seems to have interest to escape. When we are looking at the RSI, I am now going to zoom out. Okay, and now zoom back in. So 681.45 this morning. And we do have a big player at that level at 681.45, 681.50, and then 679.20. Now we've got to build to 678.90, which is the PCL. Looks a little rangy. The RSI is getting weaker and weaker. We will see. Right now seems like the pull will be to the PCL, and then we will see the interest of popping. But right now, for SPY, we've got SPY underneath the VWAP, underneath the 200 EMA, and underneath the 50 EMA, but above the PCL. And that's my analyzing of SPY this morning.
Perfect. So basically, you are kind of looking bearish in there.
Well, I'm looking right now that if we're looking at the tape and the weakness of it, we will see if it's going to be populating differently as we're getting closer. but you can see the weakness at this moment. What are you looking at?
Well, I don't have a clear opinion right now, though.
Okay.
It have been like clearly trending down, so reason why you might be right on that one. And but at the same time, it's like yeah, we have important levels here that could do something, but let's say the price is around the world. No, that's I don't want.
Oh no! Don't do that.
Don't do what? The song?
Don't do the
Yeah,
song.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's wicked.
So yeah, like I have 685.79 as a decent level of resistance, but like yeah, that's quite high. I know that, but basically like
Which
it's
one is it?
like 685.79. Dumbo abajo, dumbo abajo, abajo. So like to me, to be honest, it looks a little bit bullish. So
Oh, it does have a lot of strength. When we're like what I
it
mean
will take
is
a lot
that
of effort to go higher. That's a for sure.
right now, like to your point, the lower low this morning, and this is where there's a pullback. There's an order there at 679.
Mm-hmm.
20. When we're looking at that, since then at that low, it does not make a lower low, right? It's always making a higher low. Now it seems to, and we'll see at 680.20 what it's going to be doing. If it goes through that,
Like
we are going to a pull and then we'll go to the pop.
to your point, like I have a very clear level here, which is very close to the price you also have,
Okay?
which is the 679. I have 679.26, and you have 679.20.
Yep,
Is that correct?
correct.
So it looks like if you want to test that level before going back up, and it makes sense for sure.
Good morning. Hey, my guy.
Good morning, Zach. How you doing? Oh, you are there already. Okay, I see. I see. I was just going to open it.
No, I've got that same level.
Around the world, around the world. It's not my fault, you know. I don't know. So
I blame you 100%. Oh, now I'm gonna have to listen to it. So when we're looking at the top volume, we've got Snap.
oui, allô?
Oui, allô?
Ça
Good
va?
morning, Zach.
Ça va bien?
Ça va bien, vous?
Oh, très bien, très bien,
Très
très
bien,
bien.
très bien.
Ouais.
All right.
Okay,
So-
so when I'm looking at the top here, the top's
Snap, yeah. I
is
have
Snap
a
is
too.
top volume, top RVOL. CMCSA is second volume, second RVOL, which this is very rare. The same thing with TQQ. So I'm starting, okay, what's going on? RXRX is very high as well. So I'm looking at those levels right now.
There is a decent level at 680 as well on SPY. So, yeah, I have two long ideas for SPY, which is from 680 and the 679
Okay.
20. So, which of those two are you willing to trade? RXRX or Snap? Or like you are just
Snap, not interested. RXRX, I'm looking at it right
barcoding
now.
a Snap?
Hmm?
Snap is barcoding
Yep.
and RXRX as well. So,
RXRX, not as much. Snap is really barcoding.
even Tesla is looking a little bit sketchy.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be rangy today.
Yeah.
Agreed. Like I see Spy caught in that range
just
as
because
well.
why.
Mm-hmm.
And yesterday, it was kind of choppy. Like, yesterday I was trading the thing where I go long and I go short on the other level, and I go long and I go short.
Oh wow, that's not easy
And
to
those-
do.
Those levels, they're good.
Nice.
Oof.
Yeah, and then first day of trading Top Step, the thing is down.
Yeah, yeah, they had a big outage, shortage yesterday, whatever. I don't know how you call that. I know my friends sent the report in the group, and it's like, I'm sorry for you.
And I was in a trade and it just, I couldn't do anything. So I lost 1 hour, not that bad.
Hmm.
At least they were looking. Ooh la la! Look at that thing.
Nah.
Yeah.
There news?
There was no news, but like, what the heck was that?
There we go. So it should be going back, but then we'll see what it's going to. Okay. Oof.
I'm gonna get myself out of the NVDA right there, the overnight. It's not looking good. There we go. I got out. So I'm gonna look for another entry for NVDA. SPY. What is SPY doing? Let's see. SPY test the 680. So I'm gonna see if I have a clear entry on Nvidia somewhere. I see that 175 on Nvidia is something. So 175 on the tape has 247 lot. So Zach, you are just in the indexes, I guess, in the SPY.
Yeah. 175 is a big level for Nvidia.
I think I'll go long at 679.50 on SPY. That's my big level. And it bounced like 5 times the last 2 days.
Okay. It should go through that. It's gonna go lower than that. We'll see, but
7660.
okay. So let's go see.
Around the world.
I'll look
around
if you see it go.
Yeah, this is not looking good. So
Marie, do you know how low it could go?
Yeah, close to the PCL.
yeah, that will make a lot of sense.
Right there.
Like I have a trend line at the PCL right now. Around the world. Oh my gosh.
Okay, it's getting close.
At what price is it, you said?
The PCL is at 678.87. 678.87.
It's could be going through that too. Holy!
Try a little long here. I know I wanted to go short, but like I find that a little bit extreme there. And like SPY bounced the 679.20 by the penny.
I had one range there.
Mm-hmm.
It bounced it good.
Yeah, if you see a SPY here, like that was a 679.20, almost by the penny. I have
Okay.
26, but Marie have 20, and it went 20, not 26. So, ooh la la, this thing is dropping hard.
I think SPY will come back down.
To be honest, to me, it was looking bullish. So and not Renji. I know you guys said Renji, but I have a target here, and that target is a little bit weird because it's a little bit far as well. So, but like my target on Spy to the long today is 680, 683.45.
Okay.
Okay, Nvidia coming back up. 2K Nvidia alone there at 174.98. 175 practically, but yeah. Seems to be kind of wrong, so probably. Zach, did you take any trades there or not?
No.
No.
Not yet, not yet.
Alright, alright. Marie has
RX.
long. RX long. Oh yeah, that's looking good.
On top step, I'm risking 200 per trade.
Okay.
Getting risky, you know?
Yeah, but
How does that feel?
It's not real money, so it feels like practicing. But yesterday, because it wasn't working, I traded with my real account,
Okay.
and like the risk is like $40. I made 3 R's yesterday, so that felt good.
Very nice.
for top step, what did you determine as a max stop loss per day? Or you haven't
I
done
didn't put it yet.
Okay. You know, they have those lockings thing that like
I've seen it.
my other friend, he uses it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Let's go.
Yeah, RX, I think it's the only thing that is going higher.
Let's go. Okay. Me gusta.
And yesterday I was watching a professional scalper
Yeah.
trade the live. Holy shit, man. So different than how we trade.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Little ranges, eh?
Like
Big
you
and
put-
little range.
Yeah, he put a bunch of orders at every big orders, and then he like it's all about the order flow when you trade.
Yeah, like that's a tape reader, I guess.
But he's not using tape; he's using footprint.
Okay.
But it's like a volume profile, but based on let's go, it's coming down.
Yeah, it's coming down heavily.
Okay, so it's going to be looking like a PCL. Yeah, my tape is aligned, so.
172.
Took one partial there.
Nice. That's
So you
what's
guys
up.
went short.
He went short, yeah.
Here comes the money.
Because it can reverse there because I have a level.
that trade got me in by mistake. So the price I want to go in is 173.50. 173.50.
That just came on my keywords all the time. Everybody.
Not now.
Your cat?
Yeah.
He wants
Cool.
to play with daddy.
Yeah.
Bajo.
Yeah, and when I installed Dubstep,
Yeah.
like I went to Dubstep X, the platform, for the first time, and then I played with it a bit. Then I clicked somewhere and it said like order field. I'm like, what? And I clicked on the level 2. They have a level 2 but not showing anything.
Mm-hmm.
So when I click on the level 2, you can put order through the level 2. And then I bought like a bit of mini S&P 500.
Yeah.
Mm.
In like 1 second, it lost me like $45. I was like, okay.
Man.
So I started the account minus 45.
And you got a good discount. Like you got for the
Yeah, 40% off.
pretty good.
Marie, do you know the story?
No,
No.
I haven't.
When it was time to pay the membership, I went online and paid like write a discount code for Dubstep. Then
Okay.
the first one I put it in, 40% off.
Ooh,
It's like,
Yeah.
you're kidding. So you got 40% off on your membership.
yeah,
Nice.
fine breaking. It's cool.
No
Yeah, SPY,
kidding.
like if you see here, I have a trend line for SPY and it's breaking down like quite ugly, I would say right now. Like there we go, that's the other test. So if it doesn't bounce from there, bye bye la.
And what I like is I have multiple shares on that because I have more money.
Mm-hmm.
So I can take partials.
Nice, yeah,
That was a big.
big gain.
Pretty much up let's break. So, if I listen to my range, the next step is 677. If I break that level.
Let's see what I have here. Like that's why I didn't want to. Like it looks like if he didn't want to go there, but like, hey, he shouldn't be doing what he's doing right now. So
Mm-hmm.
I before the ones like before that level sack, I have 678.50. 678.59 actually.
Okay, so
Yeah,
right
that-
now
that's where it bounced.
678.30. 678.30.
But the 678.50 was there before the bounce. So
Yeah, but I mean, if I break that level,
yeah, then it's gonna go all the way down to I have 675.07.
677.70.
Holy cow.
if I get there, I pass my challenge right away.
Hey, you cannot take that more profit than 1,500. You remember?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can take more than that and you just count as 1,500.
Yeah, you can take more than that, but then your target go higher.
Okay.
They don't want you to be lucky and just
Okay. So if
Taking
you
the one
take
from the top.
if you take big trades day after day, they will readjust your goals.
But that's just while he's in the challenge.
Okay,
When he's in the real account, he can take as much as he wants.
okay.
And because they don't want trader that takes a big risk and then win 2 times in a row and just pass.
Yeah, because you can pay like $40, let's say, and like give it that shot every time, and like
Yeah, if you lucky 2 days in a row, you
yeah, you make it.
with the site that I can go with this account, I got like 50 contract.
Yeah,
50 contract with the trade that I just took would make me pass. So,
which in your case, like you can probably go with bigger sizes if you are able to put a tighter stop loss because your prices are very precise.
mhm.
So the 678.20, that big order that I sent, was there. It got filled. 678 is still there. We will see.
Took a partial in the bottom.
Suck.
Here we go.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Yeah, Marie is doing a good job too with the
Keeping it tight.
RX.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
She's taking partial and adding
Yep.
while it's moving in the range.
Mm-hmm. Taking partials at the top, adding in the bottom. We will see how that goes.
I need to do more of that. Adding. I'm gonna pull back.
So I have that 74 here on
Nice.
Nvidia. I don't want to see it breaking lower, so I'm probably gonna be start tying those stop loss. If you make a lower low, I prefer to be out and loading up somewhere else.
Mm.
So that's the 9:45 alarm, so we technically have a range established. So watch out because the SPY didn't went too far from the PCL, so
Yeah, the stochastic is showing straight. In my way of reading it,
yeah.
I know Marie is the opposite.
Well, you guys are using the different indicators too.
No, I was hearing him. I said I thought it was the cat at first. I was.
Ah, that was in the keyboard.
Okay, six. Yeah, he was. Okay, 677.
Nice,
Okay.
nice. Get him. I want 677.
Oh la la.
677.10.
Didn't you say, Zach, that it was going to be rangy?
Yeah, maybe that.
So I'm out right there, and now I don't believe that it's gonna go any higher. Like
You were long?
I went long, but like I tied the stop loss quite a lot there, and it was on purpose. That was the good thing to do. So now I'm gonna flip to the short, but I'm gonna see where can I do that. I just won't jump on the. Let's see what price do I wanna jump on the. Actually, I could jump right away. 73.50 seems to be a good short idea. There we go. So let's see if it wants to manifest or not, but it should go down. I know it went down already a lot, but like, it's just like, it's not doing what it's not looking there like we wanna see it looking like, so. Oh no.
It's lagging again. Fucking hell.
Yeah, my friend say Top Step doesn't want to respond. I don't have trades open or anything. It's not working. So
I have a trade that is working. Then.
yeah, just watch out in case like if for you it's working, but like just watch out.
Yeah, but I wanted to take profit there.
I didn't do it.
No.
Ay.
But yesterday I went past my stop loss, but they still put it at my stop loss.
Maybe because it was their fault.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you blow your account, they reset your account. If it was because of that.
Okay.
So maybe you will make me keep the short and I'll make more money. You know?
Yeah, like I guess they do the same. Like if you made too much money because of that, they will say, "Hey, the reality was trouble." And I don't know in that case, like how.
How do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they let that go. Nice.
How the heck did that happen? Wait for.
Okay. RSI on SPY is very, very strong. Testing the PCL now. Tape is starting to get scarce.
Yeah, it's hard to flip.
Uh-huh.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
And they do a live stream Top Step,
Yeah.
and then like people on their comments are like, "Are you kidding me?" Okay. Yeah. Like the guys on the live stream are traders too, and they're like, "What the hell?"
You're not pleased?
I'm sure a lot of people will quit that. That.
But that doesn't happen often, so
It doesn't?
no.
It's not because of all their advertising that now they've maxed out?
Because I started trading.
They can't handle your volumes up. Take a pill. Take it down a notch there. Take it down a notch.
the software seeing my trading, it's like, what the hell? Good.
He's too good, man. He's too good.
Ay, ay, ay. SPY's looking quite ugly.
Okay, so SPY did not make at that pull. It's a slow flip, but it seems to be flipping. What a slow flip.
Hey, I'll be back. Let me just reset that. I'm here still. Like I just have to reset this. Baby, come back, come back, come back. Zach, any crazy plans for the weekend?
I'm getting back home this weekend.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, it's a Sunday, I think it was.
Saturday.
Saturday, yeah.
You're driving?
Yeah.
Well, let's hope you've got great weather.
Yeah, like it was between Friday night or it was between Friday night and Saturday morning, and Friday night there was snow here.
Yeah, that's true. It's colder there.
Mhm.
Yeah, here we're getting rain
Yeah,
for the
It
next
can
3
be,
days.
it can be rain that is icy.
Mm-hmm.
Like I don't know if it's true, but like I saw yesterday. I saw just the title, but like we're supposed to have like a lot of snow.
What?
Yeah, I can check it out in a couple of minutes. Just, but yeah, like extremely big amount of snow. But like as I say, I'm gonna check it out. It could be fake news or something like that. All right. So, Emilia, let's try this again. Use some of your own.
So SPY now is consolidating but not making a lower low. Encouraging.
All right. I went short on Nvidia, but this time I'm gonna go in 2 steps,
Okay.
non-top steps, but 2 steps.
Oh my god, so painful to watch your profit go away.
So I'm gonna add the rest right at the VWAP right there. It shouldn't go any freaking higher. So why? Because Nvidia SPY is looking like crap right now. So
I don't know about that. I think it's gonna pop through. But hey, this isn't financial advice, as Davey would say.
yeah, it's just like
This is just observations. And it's like
and this,
Zach says, you know what? The way that I read it, somebody else reads it differently. So we never know, but it's starting to look like strength, but We will see.
Yeah, but the tape is so sketchy, you know.
The tape is weak. The tape is weak. I will get you that. Yeah. But it seems like it does want to go through that VWAP. So, how much of it? Don't know. And there it goes. Went through the VWAP, went through the 50 EMA, and now is going for. Look at that. Okay, so the next level was 680.20. That seems to be the 200 EMA. We've got an order there. We will see how much it is going to be popping. A little consolidation there at the 50. Who's gonna win? The wrestling.
Trying to read the tape a little bit more accurate, but let's see. Printing a lot of yeah, the tape is kind of strong now, or at least the print is strong. So wanna see if you get waggy toward the downside. It's no waggy. Well, yeah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, okay, it's coming back down. So though SPY did break through toward the up. So Nvidia right now looking a little bit sketchy, printing 174.58, 59, 60. It go up to 70, but then it go down a little bit faster. So there seems to be problems at the 75, but that probably will be like around the best price to go short, not at 74.47. But I will be able to survive that because I didn't expect it to go too far. There we go. There we go. What was that? Can somebody explain what was that wake in
What
there?
are you? Are
Or-
you NVIDIA?
I'm in NVIDIA. It's recorded. That is actually there. Like, what the heck was that? I say it's gonna get waggy, and it got waggy, but like exaggerated. No what?
Waggy in NVIDIA? Yeah.
Yeah, toward the downside. Like, whoa, you, like look, just look at that. It's like,
I'm short SPY on my real account.
look at that. Look at you. It was like in an instant like that.
Whack.
It's,
Oh yeah, there we go.
whack it, like.
Be careful, there should be a little bit of consolidation right about there. And it could be bouncy, so let's not.
Yeah, no overreact.
Mm-hmm.
My section looks short. Every time they try to push it higher, it's getting beat down. If that dubstep can come back and I can take my position, I'll be.
Let's hope.
So break down.
They're probably gonna damage the confidence of the traders for the long.
That's for sure.
Like I think I told you that like you have been here probably when there is like a big volume day, like 90% of the time, like if it's an exceptionally big volume day, normally that's have problem with the opening.
That's true, eh? I remember.
Yeah, it has happened a couple times.
Agreed. Yeah. I remember when the VIX was in the 30, poof, the whole thing went down.
And then like at 11 they reply, oh yeah, we have problem with our servers. Like, yeah, but I'm texting you from 9 a.m.
Yeah, you're a little late there on the switch, people.
The worst is like not to like is that you miss opportunities and things like that. Like you see.
Oh yeah, then after that you go in full FOMO. Right? I trade like a cow right after that, like because you say, oh my god, I missed this, I missed that, I missed this, I missed that. And then I just go jump rope. Pff, jump here, jump there. No problem. Oh yeah, those days are awful. Okay, so what is Spy going
The
to
spy is
do?
looking good right now,
Yeah. Mhm.
but let's see how long it lasts.
So Spy's not making lower lows, but keep making higher high.
I'm gonna mute the channel for a little bit just to share with Zach what we were doing yesterday. An important thing that I would like my guy to know.
I think that
top step is working, so I took out the thumb.
Like Wayne, let me know. You make half of your target.
I'm at 300 now. 110.
Nice.
And in my real account, I took like 1.5 hour profit.
I like that.
Could have kept it more.
Guys, SPY doesn't look good right now. I don't want to be too bearish about it, but it's definitely looking shortish yet. Like it's rejecting the PCL, it's rejecting the trend.
Like
The
what you're saying, my guy, I'm double short.
okay. Yeah, like that looks very ugly. I have a
Have you ever
short
been
too.
double shorts?
In different products, yes, I have been.
Yeah, but in the same, but 2 accounts.
No, like that, probably no. Oh yes, if I count my swing.
Oh, there you go.
So you double happy if you move in your favor.
Yeah, though right now I have two
It's like
swing
a
trade. I
double
have a swing
income.
trade on Nvidia and I have a swing trade on Google, and they are not looking good. So what can I say?
Okay.
I learned that I don't like swing trade.
Well, I don't like swing trade as a something to do. I like the profit they gave me, you know. But I agree with you. That's super boring, you know. Like you are doing nothing in there. It's just like, oh yeah, like
Yeah, but more than that, it's like it's stressing sometimes. Like
well, that's something I don't do. I don't stress about it. Like literally in my head, if Google lose 50% of it, I really don't care.
Okay.
yeah, you have too much money at that point. Like
Not really. It's just like for example, like yes, I have a like. What is the rule? It's a max 7, you know. Like I literally go into these trades like looking to be out in a week or some or in a
Okay.
month. But if the money stay trapped for 1 year in there, I don't have a problem with it because it's a swing trade account. So it's like Marie drink all her coffee.
¿Dónde está mi café?
You want me to go for more?
No.
un
No,
café
no.
con azúcar.
Sí, azúcar
Sí,
sí, azúcar y leche.
Leche, okay.
Sí. Un poco azúcar y leche. Sí. Como un café latte.
What's the difference between un poco and un poquito? It's the same.
It's the same, my guy. Like the difference is that, you know, in English do we call it a diminutive?
Diminutif. In French.
In French.
Yeah.
So un poquito is a diminutive.
Even smaller.
Even smaller than.
Yeah.
And like for example, despacito. The despacito. Like yeah. So it's a diminutive for despacio. Despacio means slowly, and despacito means a
Very
smaller
slowly.
version of a slowly, little slowly.
So when you add a toe,
To make
beyond,
it's
making smaller.
see.
Yeah, ito. When you add ito,
So
Like there's like a niño,
niñito,
it's a niñe,
Yeah.
niñito.
niñito.
So that's a
Okay.
grandkid.
For example, a car for
Really?
Dominicans is a carro, and if you say carrito, it's a little car.
Perito.
And the same rule for the gender apply there. For example, you are saying a car is a male, so but like a house is a female. So if you say
Perrita.
casa, perrita, yeah, or casita. So
So it's
Niñeta.
ita for
for female,
feminine.
yeah, feminine, yeah, and
I wonder something that in my Duolingo I encountered. when you say a burger, you know, a burger is masculine. But when you say una hamburguesa,
It's a feminine.
well, why?
Hamburguesa. Hamburguesa.
Yeah, they have a couple like that, but rarely. That they're reverse of the French language, but they're very okay, an example. Une tasse? No.
Una taza.
Yeah, it's there.
It's
yeah.
a female.
Un verre, c'est vaso. Un vaso.
But I know what, like,
There's a
we have
couple.
a couple sample, like the one that Maria trying to say.
I can't find one right now. But mesa.
But for example, a computer can be both. And like, that's always depending, like, it's not the actual object, it's the actual word that you use. Like, for example, una computadora is a computer, and you are saying it in feminine. But then you can say un computador, and it's masculine.
Why?
Yeah. The word, the actual word.
Oh, yeah, but the computer is a thing. I understand when you say with the, like, doctor et doctora.
Yeah.
Si, or professor et
Yeah, but-
professora.
But for example,
But the computer doesn't change.
but like for computer, you can say it in feminine or masculine. But for a car, you only can say it in masculine. If you say carra, it doesn't make sense.
Exactly. So why computer since it's a thing? Is there a logic to that, or is just something?
It's just a rule of the language. Like
Okay.
like computador, computadora. So at the end, it's like oh, languages, they are so limiting.
Oh, hey, agreed. One day, eh? We're just going to have to.
And that day is gonna be very dangerous.
Yeah, especially for Mr. T. He knows what everybody thinks of him. Oy. Come on, I want to take
Spice
it.
trying.
Really trying.
I'm out on boat. In the bottom.
Okay,
Pretty good.
really, yeah. RSI on SPY is climbing.
Mhm.
When we're looking at the heat map, we don't have a whole lot of red there, but guess who's red? Nvidia.
Yeah, Nvidia is right. Yeah, like I as I say, it's weird. Like even Google, like what the heck happened to Google? Like I can show you right now, right here. Like look at that Google.
Oh, jeez. Which is funny because I believe that when, Google was really, really looking at their financials, really
Oh, it's very solid.
very, very solid, really, really
Out of the
good.
Max 7, it might be the
Exactly.
lowest risk trade possible. But like
Yep, really aligned at this moment. I didn't hear of any possible takeovers because it seems like they've got one a month. But yeah, their financials were really, really solid. Their guidance were really, really strong. I'm surprised at what's happening with them.
Oh, I just see that Dubstep took off my loss of yesterday. Pretty nice.
I'm going.
But I have 100% win rate.
Look at that.
Go, Zach, go! Okay, so if you're looking, now if you've got trend lines on SPY,
It's by rejecting.
is
Mhm.
there, yeah, but they're rejecting it from the bottom as well, aren't they? Isn't that a megaphone here?
Yes, it is doing like the megaphone, but
Okay.
it has more intentionality toward the downside than toward the upside
Okay,
because it pierces by more.
okay.
It pierced it twice, so like I don't know what the heck is going on. You
Look
know
at
what?
that level, baby.
Which
I
one?
sent you a picture.
I will look at it now. One of the concerns I have is the Venezuela problem that is going on out there. So like, I think that one of those days we're just gonna wake up and it's like, oh, Venezuela have been invaded. So, and like
By who?
by the state.
Trump has all his
Yeah, like,
arsenal.
Oh no,
Around.
and they are really incauting. Like, how do you say that word? When they take their ships of oil, they have been doing that. Like,
Oh yes, yes.
Embargo?
embargo. Like yesterday, there was another, and it's like, okay, this guy, and like he's talking about, oh, they're gonna feel fire and whatever as nobody. Like, we look what happened. Yeah, when who was it they bombed? Like the one
Who
that
did they? It could
like
be
the-
easier to say who they didn't.
okay. So, but like they harass the same way that they were harassing Venezuela right now, and they debombed them. You know, so and that's what I mean. Like with whatever excuse they wanna say it was. You know, like the one that were building the nuclear shit. They were going to be potentially nuclear.
Oh, you talking in the Middle East?
Yeah, in the Middle East.
Ah,
But that's what I'm saying. Like,
okay.
like.
Oh, I thought you were talking.
crap. Zach, you're talking about the yellow level, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
the yellow band.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah, that's pretty cool. Look, Marie, he's shorting the level there.
I'm
That's
not in it,
beauty.
but
You got out,
Sure.
Marie.
I should have go back there.
Yeah. So what I was saying is like the rhetoric, like or the saying from like all the communication is very similar to what he was saying before. Like everybody know it's just to scare them and blah blah blah, but then he did it. So in this case, hey, you know, like it's just too tempting. Like the power that he will acquire just by having that much oil is unresistible, pretty much.
Yup.
So this is important for Zach because I actually gonna send it to you. There is a top step communication for traders that are having trouble. So I'm gonna send it to you in case that you haven't seen it.
I haven't seen it today.
It is from right now. The one I have.
But now it's working for me. I don't know, it's strange, like in my account balance,
Mhm.
they took off they didn't took off the profit from yesterday, the loss from yesterday, but in my statistic, they did.
Hmm.
And
Okay, so
top
Spy
step-
is now going to. I believe if it doesn't go through, it's going to go to hell. But I think it's going to go through.
Yeah, because it's tempting again, so it's very close. There we go. I send it to you. Sorry.
yeah, like if it break the range that I sent you, Davey, I think it will go to like 682, 681, 50.
Well, I don't know if you remember. I said I have a level at 683.
Yeah. But 682, you might have trouble. That's it.
$682. Okay, let's see what I have in there.
680.40.
I have a monthly range there.
Yeah, I have 681.89. And then I don't have anything until 683, 606. Oh, by the way, yesterday, Marie, I finished watching the show of Boss Daddy.
Oh yeah.
What do you think that happened?
Crap, I don't know.
All the charges, like that's why we don't hear it anymore in the news.
They're not been dropped.
They have been dropped. So the charges he has is like little charges, and he have to spend only 50 months in jail.
Oh, that I know. Okay.
But there were 77 cases pending.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, But yeah, but he the real shit that he went to court for is not
Yeah,
there
that's
anymore.
not there. Yeah, that I knew. Yeah. That
The
I
PDD
knew.
one?
Yeah,
Yeah, PDD.
yeah.
Yeah, he,
Like I was telling to Larry, like he gonna first I'm pretty sure that he won't last the 50 months in there. He gonna go out before because if he
Go out or be killed.
no, he can go out in conditional like I don't know how you say that. Like, libertad condicional. It's like freedom, whatever. Like where they are checking on him and well, he's out. But like he gonna go out and like I just think that first he gonna go after the people that went after him. Because, no, the guy's a psych. You know, it's like so like then he gonna do even worse because hey, I have so much power that look how what I was able to do. His the bills for his lawyer were millions and millions of dollars. He have the like 8 lawyers, the 8 most powerful lawyers in the world. So like what the heck was this? Like you're watching the documentary and with all the proof and all the things that they have, like even videos, you say no, that guy is done for life. You know that guy will never come. No, everything was dropped. One of the judge was a fan of his music, and I think that she's talking about his favorite friend. You know, it's like it's like oh my god, like really, like yes, I grew up listening to his music. I just didn't know it was him, and because he was the producer, not the actual, and like. Yeah, it's so weird. Like, but you know,
Incredible, eh?
they found a bunch of loops.
yeah, for sure, for sure.
Loopholes, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Unfortunately, what that's saying is that like, hey, it doesn't matter what you do; it just matter how much power you have, economical and political. Like,
Correct.
that's kind of sad there because hey, you know, like just for the video that is out there where he's punching the girl, a regular human being do that and spend his whole freaking life in jail for sure. For
Yeah,
sure.
that was brutal.
Oh no, that was a circumstantial, and like she came like next day she was texting him, so they are okay, and like all the the sex shit was consent apparently. Like oh yeah, they were all adults. They consent to it. It's like what? They are telling you that they were drugged, and that's how they got there. You know.
Incredible. Yeah.
The people that talk against him must be so scared right now. Like,
Yeah, that's what I say. Like.
Right? Where's
Like-
their freedom for them?
Do you know that he never paid to any of his music people? Like he just made them. He made them famous, but he didn't pay them. Like all the rappers that you say, like, oh, this guy is making millions, and no. That guy is just getting famous, and he was able to get famous, but all the money went only to Puff Daddy. And like the girl that like one girl here like came to defend him because she said she never saw anything. And like that girl, are you kidding me? Like once like the guy have billions of dollars, and she was asking him for $5,000, and that was apparently his best friend, and he say no. And now that he was in the hole, he asked her to do the declaration. It was like a declaration, like, oh, I never seen this. My friend doesn't do that. Blah blah blah. And she in the documentary say like once I was needing $5,000. Like I'm like
Now I need 5 million.
yeah, and like he say no. She did it for free because it's like, and she didn't care about it. Like she never saw anything. So it's like in my head, it's like, well, first he never was your friend, you know. Like no, because he didn't give you the $5,000, but like I mean, like yeah, whatever. It's just like, but you just like, yes, I'm gonna give you what you need. Like, it's just weird. It's just weird.
Yeah, but when you're there too, like, are you literally working with the same set of rules and morals of baseline people? I can't say normal
Oh,
or abnormal
it is.
because it's I don't want to pay judgment, but like, are you still playing with the same deck that people are playing with, right?
I think it's a for sure no,
Yeah.
because like, hey, he literally like he went like flexing about when he got free like the first time that they captured him and then like the drops like they were not having sufficient proof for him to go to jail and blah 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 at the beginning. So he's talking to his family members like his wife, his kids. Did you see the post daddy's power and blah blah blah? Like, are you proud of it? And like it's like
Wow.
my guy, they are saying you are a raper or something like that, and like you have the balls to say like, look at how powerful I am. It's like, ay ay ay.
Incredible. Okay, so your levels are there, guys.
Yeah, like this Nvidia just broke down again.
By just touching my level and bouncing.
Mm-hmm.
I
Your
know.
levels are
Okay.
there.
I think
That was from 7712 to 7662.
I have a level at 676.23, but I think it's going to go to 675, which is weird. But yeah,
I should have taken long there. Should have taken long. Missed it all. To grow some balls.
He wants to grow.
Yesterday I did the same thing. I touched the level, I said, should I go in? I didn't go in. I did like 3 hours or more.
So I'm sure you've got a level at 676.50.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's the bottom range of my level.
Okay.
what the heck is going on, Tesla?
There's a big order.
Tesla is at 486. I think that Google is gonna be sleeping for a little bit longer, but yeah.
Do you think it's capitulation volume at 1036?
For a spy,
Mm-hmm.
it looks like, but it can still make a lower low because it will take some time to go reverse. So looks like I see exactly what you're talking about here, like there. Let me look at the other things and at the tape as well. Yeah, like I think 176 need to be printed before, probably 176. No, 676. My bad. 676.00. 676.00 before doing anything else. Baby, come back, come back.
Want to go long? Those trades are so risky, man. They can pay so much. Reversal trades.
Yeah, like I see your level at 676 something, like 676.70, I think you say.
Yeah, right now it's in there.
That's a sweet spot, it can really bounce from there. I see what you mean.
I got it. Okay.
Fuck it.
Time to grow some balls.
It's so funny. Where you say it, it's like, yeah, I'm gonna water them tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little bit of sunshine.
We need some fertilizer.
Yeah. And the way you said
Ew.
it,
A little bit. Hold it, buddy.
676.20, possibly 76.
Holy crap. That volume is big things in there, you know? There we go, 676, 70 breaking now. No, no breaking by the penny. By the penny holding. There we go, breaking now down. Like down now, so there we go. I got the partial on Nvidia.
Beauty! Here we go.
Here comes the money, money, money.
And a sigh of relief.
So you need to hold my range there. Let's go.
Like, watch out, I have a 676.20, which might be a little bit higher for a spike. 676.20. If I have to adjust that thing, let's see. I don't want to move it like 676. 676.30 to be precise. For a spike.
I'm in by the penny, man. Holy shit. Stay in.
That's my guy.
And
I'm all out of Nvidia.
Here comes the money, money, money.
keeping me in by the penny for like.
Yeah, it seems to be a good price, you know?
I got it.
I'm going long now on Nvidia, but like I have a price. If he get me there, if he doesn't get me, I'm okay too. Okay, look at SPY printing the 676.30. So SPY, come on, let's pick up the rhythm. It's not that hard. There we go. Okay, going even lower. That price didn't hold.
Out of the range, I'm gonna try again.
So because the SPY didn't hold, I decided to not go long at 72.50. I moved my stop, my entry to 172.00. 172.00 for NVDL, based in the fact that SPY didn't hold. And yeah, exactly, it's not holding the 672.50 either, so I think it might be okay there. And I like more the whole print than the middle print.
674.70.
675 is gonna hold.
674.70.
47.
Yeah, probably it won't print 72, as I can see for NVDA.
So the only sector that we do not have any red in, financial.
Okay, financial. Are you saying that financial is strong?
Yeah.
Well, but the whole market is not that red.
Yeah, it's not that red.
It's a couple stock that are red right now, like Google, Nvidia, AVGO, Oracle.
Google or
Yeah.
and PLTR, AMD.
Well, for example, we have, as you say, financial with JP Morgan, Berkshire Hathaway, BAC, WFC, MA, all of those are looking good. Amazon good, Apple good, Microsoft good, Lily good. Yeah, like let's see.
So what's
I'm
feeding?
back long.
Nice.
That could be a big one.
What is your price?
75.35.
Nice. Ooh la la.
Yeah, yesterday it bounced from that level, but more 75. I'm able to resist the 75 if you want to go there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it will reach. That's my take. And it can go back to VWAP, I think, no?
SPY, yeah, like W up is so far that yeah, it will make sense to me. So let me take a look at SPY in a different scale, like a SPY.
If it breaks that range, man, going far down.
Yeah, I see, like 170, like 670.
Yeah.
700.
Yeah, 670 my next target after that.
But if he doesn't bounce from 670, we are in serious problem, you know.
Yeah, but man, 675 gonna hold. What do you think?
Yeah,
675 equal.
yeah, I would agree.
There's a big order there.
But probably it won't get to 675.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason for that is because the level is slightly above, and that level have to have a strong reaction. Oh no, it's 674.96. It's actually below the 75 by 7 cents. So probably.
Now it's starting to reverse. I know. Man, my trade is gonna print if it gets to VWAP. La 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 la.
La 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 la.
It's like 5 words. Gets to VWAP. I think it's gonna have trouble to break my range at 677. But if it breaks it, it's going to VWAP for sure.
Well, the problem, like, whatever I say here, it doesn't have much value right now. Like, because, like, I'm trying to understand why the market is going down right now. Like, let's remember, like, when did we print all-time highs again? Like, it was in
Last week.
Friday, I think it was.
Last week. Yep.
Something like that. So it's like yes, those higher highs are not going too far, but like there are like risk of expansion there because it's doing like a megaphone, which I actually don't know if it's still doing a megaphone. Like, let's see. That's why I say I have to.
Spy? No.
Yeah,
No megaphone.
no megaphone. Okay. Holy cow. Hey. If you look at the monthly chart, Zach, like you will see like a big hammer for last month. So like November is a very nice bullish hammer. So yeah, it's so weird to, like, for example, if I want to say this is SPY will have to go down quite a lot for it to be anything like bearish. But yeah.
Like that reaction.
Yeah, like it would be healthy to print the 75, I guess, as Marie suggested, because did you saw it on the tape? It was so she saw it on the tape. We have it in the levels. So when the level get like more confirmation, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
Like normally when it doesn't get tested completely, like I trust it a little bit less. I had a decent entry for Nvidia, so I probably should be tight in the stop loss on that one because like it shouldn't go that low. But like
Okay, it's testing the 75.
yeah, buy the penny.
Oh boy, prepare
Don't break,
yourself.
don't break, don't break.
It's going to go through, guys. Sorry.
So I tightened the stop loss on Nvidia.
It's going to go through. Oish.
Yeah, I have tightened the stop loss because I prefer to be shake out than to hold it through the flush. Lower low, there we go.
Aye.
Yeah, it's going to break through. Sorry. Oh my God, 673. Are we able to take a two?
Yeah, let's take a little break. We're gonna be back on a bit.
Thank you.
All right, we are back.
I added more with my stop loss at the same risk.
For example, like you see how I say like I have no idea of those things, like what is going on, nothing like that. Like if I ask you, like let's say Zach that has a little bit of volume analysis behind there, and I ask you already, and we kind of talk about it, but like you see how the sell-off is right now.
Mm-hmm.
If from here to Monday we print all-time highs, what does that tell you? How would you interpret that?
What?
Like no, like let's say right now we already know how low we have went and all that. But let's say if from here to Monday, to next Monday, the market, like let's say SPY, go to all-time highs.
Mm-hmm.
Would that make sense to you?
No.
No, exactly. And like, if it doesn't make sense to you, and it's able to do that, what is your rationality saying that could be happening there?
Are we mute?
No, we are not mute. Like we are in the channel, and like that's why I, like the question is,
Manipulation?
yeah, exactly that. And like for example,
People are trying to get money to shop.
like for example, that's why I say like on a SPY, there are 2 points where they could have confirmation that they have shaken out everybody. Like where they can have confirmation that they have shaken out everybody at 674, or the other one is quite lower. It's at 670.
Okay.
So from 670, it can still flush down another $3 like to 667, but no more than that. That I don't see it. Like if this is not a truly down move because of something else, I don't see it going below there.
Okay.
But it's very pissing off, you know, because like at the same time, like you take any trade and any freaking trade don't make any sense, because you are not accounting for, hey, you know what?
Somebody's playing.
They're gonna flush the toilet before really rinsing. It's like, I'm sorry, that sounds ugly, but yeah, it's just like
It's ugly market.
yeah, but like that's,
I mean, come on.
that's the game. At the same time, you know, like I mean, like
$7 for nothing, no news.
so it's just so annoying, you know. But like, will I be annoyed if I will be in the move? Probably no. That's why I say this is the game. So like maybe I am just like being irrational with the same.
Well, we
with
say
the own
irrational. Is it because like if what we're discussing happens, and if what we say could be true, are fundamentals back in are they true as well? Are the fundamentals still as strong if that's what's happening behind the scene? If inside trading is happening, are we able to now trust these levels or these, because we've been going through them like butter.
The story changing there, that's for sure.
There we go.
So
then what would be the most revealing that we're able to trust? What would be the most revealing data that's
a good question, and that's an answer that I don't have, but like I don't know.
I find what's happening in the moment.
On the tape, yeah, but like I couldn't read the tapes, like, because yes, they are holding okay, but at the end they just keep breaking lower and breaking lower. And I say, hell, man, like how many bits do you have to swallow that are that big before to really reverse? Like I mean, like Nvidia have been going through everything. SPY have been going through everything. So
I like that candle though.
Yeah, the last candle, yeah, it's looking pretty actually there. But
RSI now
yeah,
should, at that level, RSI is gonna peak or it's gonna flush, and it looks like we found a lot of buyers here, so we will see.
I think the answer is kind of simple to that, but I will have to back it up with your opinion on the exact thing like that to be able, and we're gonna have to test it. Like, Zach, you remember that I was telling you, like, that all those levels where you are putting your bands, like, some of them are more relevant than others.
Mhm.
And I told you that, hey, there is an alpha level. What is the alpha level? Is the one that have the less amount of volume. To me, like that's the one that have the less amount of volume. Is like 90% of the time, that one will work. So in that case, if the market is being manipulated, like, and like, for anybody watching there, no financial advice. I'm not certified to say what I'm saying. We are just terrifying here and seeing what we'll figure out. But what I'm saying here,
Brainstorming.
if the market is being manipulated by any chance, what being manipulated means, well, they want to shake out everybody that doesn't have diamond hands, let's say. And like, if you are knowledgeable and you are aware of all the little ounces of the market, the best indicator that will tell you at this point you have shaken out 90% of the population will be the alpha level. Why? Because there is the lowest print. So in there you have historical data that is saying in there people are not even willing to participate. So how can we address that in our day trade? Well, you don't take a trade if it's not at the alpha level, and like that is painful as hell because
I was going to say that
Like-
needs.
that will mean we're gonna sit down here and don't trade a SPY until that last shot.
Or trade heavy for the short on a pop.
Yeah, like that's a good day to trade toward it, toward the alpha level. Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
If
that,
you
that will-
believe.
yeah. Like that makes sense.
If you believe that that's what's happening, doesn't mean that it is what's
But we're gonna have to really argue on that one and test it because it's not working right now. So it's just annoying.
I'm done trading.
You got your
Yes,
other
I'll take it. Yeah. But I moved my stop loss for a little loss. But
674 down. My God, that's strong. And that's going to be a lower low.
674.10 is the strongest level. I actually told Zach that would be my stop loss.
Okay. Very strong there.
Yeah, you know, tomorrow I'm gonna come with that mentality.
With what?
Or if I'm not taking the trade unless it is at that price. Probably I won't take any trade during the day, but hey, I'm okay with that. Or I can also take a ridiculous amount of, like low amount of shares toward that price. Like that I'm able to survive the fluctuations. But at the same time, if I am right, if we get there, it's still a decent move.
Right? I like that.
breaking.
Yeah, I see. Crazy. 74.01. Well, 674.01.
Okay, now it's going to go. Okay, hold on to your pants, people. We're going to 673. Like, what the?
What?
Yeah, I'm sorry, but there's something not right about that.
That's Orlando's kid. It's a 3D.
Oh my god! Un momento. That the face?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Pretty cool.
Yay! Hey.
I got short a small position.
Okay.
6, 7. Incredible.
Are you shorting a level?
Yeah, I'm shorting 674.36. My level there.
Okay. Look at this one, Marie. If ever you have it. It's a video.
Oh, which level was the next?
The next, yeah, let me check.
672.90.
Yeah, that makes total sense to me. And that I have. Yeah, like now, my guy. To be honest, like I wouldn't take any like unless it's short. Like the level I have is I will tell you right now. It's quite far, you know. It's at 670. Hold on, 670.47. Hell yeah. Did you see it? They have music. There are 2 videos of that, but like Bloody haven't sent it to me.
Oh my god, that's so cool. That's Gina that did it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I love these. They're so funny.
You have the guys on your ears? No.
No, I stopped. At 11, they stop automatically, and I was so focused, I didn't take it back. They weren't having a good day.
You guys,
Yeah, from training the world, like it's crazy. Oh, la, 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 la.
so you guys can tell me wherever I go, long or short, is gonna go the opposite. So we can use that.
Well, like the short, it shouldn't go too high. Like right now, it should reverse from right there, like 74 or 50.
Yeah, but it's not.
Counterintuitive.
I'll take the opposite of my position today. My short from the beginning would be so good.
Yeah. There we go. Zach, do you have a bad joke?
Hmm?
Do you have a bad joke?
Not joke, I know. My account is a joke. Shit happens, I guess.
It went too bad?
Yeah.
Oof. I'm gonna take that in my sim.
Which one?
QURL. At 3.
QURL. KURL.
KURL. It's gonna be my sim.
I don't know how to type today. It's a KULR.
Ah, RL. That's my fault, Davey. It's not you.
3 times.
Yeah.
Fair.
And I repeated it 3 times. Exactly the same. Yeah, I'm gonna see him. Yeah. At 3. That looks very, very interesting.
Very good.
It looks very good. Oh yeah. Look at you. Look at Snap go. Oh man, that would have been sweet. Look at
Don't
my
eat.
level that I put this morning. At 712. What did it do at 712?
Yeah, you wouldn't even get filled on that one.
No. Man,
By the penny.
look at that. What a beautiful trade this morning, Snap. That was beautiful. RXRX wasn't too bad either.
You know, Zach, I was thinking like, do you think that we will do better with the auto partialing? Like, let's say if you have trades that, hey, once you get in immediately, get me out with every 1 hour, like get me some. So like,
I already do that. Almost.
yeah, I don't do that very often. Like, I have problem with that.
Mm.
But yeah, like, that's why I ask you, like, maybe it's a good idea. Maybe watch out because that thing have very low volume. The KULR.
It's got low volume but high relative volume.
Snap. Look at Snap holding the VWAP when the market is looking so crappy. So for the day trading, I haven't done too bad on Nvidia. It's not like horrible, but it's just like I'm a little bit annoyed because the trade haven't worked. Like here and there, like I am in the short and green, but in the long and red.
Okay.
So
Okay, RSI on SPY. Let's go SPY. We need a higher high here.
Yeah.
Okay, probably now the reversal is on. I don't want to influence you, Zach, so don't listen to me.
Yeah.
It's looking like this.
Reacting to the 50 EMA. Talking about SPY.
I went short, small size.
Okay.
Know what you say, but let me put.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe that's a good idea, my guy. You know, like to go just reverse. Maria, how are you doing, Maria?
Right now.
But just make a lower low.
My guy should be printing on the SPY, huh?
Need to be printing to make myself back in the green, so need to be more.
Yeah, it's looking good actually, you're sure.
So on your tape, where do you see it can go?
673.20.
Yeah. And yeah. My price is even lower, so it's okay.
Okay. Well, did we want to wrap it up, or are you
Yeah,
still good?
yeah, let's wrap it up. I
or-
actually have to go and prepare my lunch. Today I'm gonna have to be creative because we haven't cooked anything pretty much, so. Alright. So let's do this. So quickly here, like basically, like I have been wrong most of the time. I took one green trade, maybe two, but at the end I'm red. Like not by a lot, but I am red. In the day trading, in the swing trading, I am red by decent amount. So, but basically, this is the overnight position. Like that was nothing. It was just a little lost for that one. But then I started going long again. So I went long here, took a loss. Then I went long again. I partial. Add to the long, then took a loss. Then took a short. Here I flip. I still took a loss here, but that was a tighter stop loss because I didn't expect it to go there.
Okay.
And now I just took another loss in the long right here. But yeah, so then I went long here. No, I did that's the loss I took from here. Then I shorted here, add to the short, partial, all out. That was a good trade. That was the only good trade I have taken today. Basically, like let's divide that. So this was a short. That worked. That was the only trade that I take that I remember right now that worked good. So then I went long here, and I got out here, step out. Like that was a little stop loss because I say I don't want to see it making a lower low. And then I went long again, and that's the one that just got me out here. So hey, I keep going long in a market that is wanting to do whatever it wants to do. Like it's making no sense to me. And like if I want, I can take another long if I want. But I'm gonna have to wait for that to go like basically on a SPY, and like I don't want to influence my guy too much, but I'm gonna say the price anyway, so because it's there. So if I want to go long, I'm gonna have to wait for a SPY to go to 670 with 48. So that's quite low, you know, like we are saying that you have $3 to go down yet.
There's nothing
So
right now
670.
on the tape. What we do have is 672.30 at the max.
So yeah, I'm listening to you. Just I'm not ignoring you. Just like I want to put the line there just to make sure I look at it whenever you go back in there, if ever you go there.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I'm saying basically. Like I have no reason to go long until this print, like basically 170.48. So it could bounce before, but like right now because I have been wrong, I don't trust myself going long. So until that thing print there. And tomorrow, like look at like Nvidia got me out. Like look at that. It's so annoying. So annoying. So Nvidia got me out. And the candle after is popping up. So it's not a lot for sure. It didn't pop up by a lot. But that looks like a shakeout, whatever it did to me there. And I had a tighter stop loss. But yeah, whatever. Joe,
So Nvidia, you were short or long?
I went long.
At 170 long, that's gonna be gorgeous.
And I just noticed that. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, but that's it. Yeah, basically, like, let's see what the market wants to do. I read today again, and yeah, this is it, it has not been fun for me, but hey, whatever. Trading is like that. I just should probably lower size and all those things, and be more disciplined, because like some of those trades are a little bit sketchy. So yeah, red day, only trade Nvidia. And what about you, Marie?
I only traded RXRX, and I took RXRX at the VWAP at
Yeah,
468.
that was a good trade.
At 468, I was able to take profit then at 485, and took another one as well at 478. Then I added at 468, another profit at 490, another profit at 494, and then I started to add. And this is where in the middle here, you get a little, okay, is it going to pull back to the VWAP? Yeah, okay, it pulled back to the VWAP, and I broke even. So right now, I'm even. I don't have any trade. I do have one in the sim for QULR at $3. That's interesting, and then we see. So right now, when I'm looking at SPY,
It's going down. Sak, you still have it?
I got step out on the pullback. Like
Right?
step out at profit.
it's just smoke,
That
smoke,
would be-
smoke, right? So 670 seems to be a people are done at that level, but I'm going to have to just yeah. And when we're looking at the tape, acceleration. Yep, going down.
It's quite impressive, I have to say, but hey, whatever. Whatever. I like, yeah, it's okay. So, shut up, Davey. Shut up. Don't say anything.
You said shut up, lady?
Davey.
Oh.
Davey, yeah. Sorry,
That's
yeah, I didn't say lady.
Like maybe we're dead.
Yeah. I see my soul catching myself like, what? But no, I'm sure I
You
say,
said Davey?
I'm sure I say Davey,
You
and you
sure?
can back up the streaming and say, shut up, Davey. I was going to say something because I'm annoyed by the price action, but yeah. Yeah, it's just like I want to say the bad words and I don't want to say it because it's,
That's why you said
Some
shut
person-
up.
yeah, shut up, Davey. So yeah. Actually, the one, if anything, Marie, the ones that did the best here were you today. You know, like it was you who did the best today. Like Zach also, I know Zach took a good trade on SPY, but then
Like if I just hold that trade,
Yep.
Mhm.
that would be magic.
Nice.
Because I took SPY at 9:35.
Let's see that SPY. Like when I say
And you went short.
yeah, like yeah.
That was
it's-
beautiful.
It's a fantastic thing here, right here. Like no, here, right here. Holy crap!
So that was
That's
like a 12-hour trade.
beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful.
But I have the tendency to go out too soon.
I know what you mean. Davey, you should usually told me that so often, saying you need to learn to stay in the trade. But you get smoked. And you've got profit, you don't want to lose it, so you're out. Or you've got a big loss and you don't want to risk anything more. And you're just, oh.
I think there are days and there are days, like, you know, like there are days that's healthy to do, especially if you have profit. But if you have no profit, like just take whatever you have. Like taking 1 hour here and there is one of the best thing to do. So But yeah, so Zach, you walk us through your trade. So, Marie, did you finish saying what
Yes,
you were
that's
saying?
it.
Okay,
Yeah, so short at
9:45. How about you?
9:35,
9:35 or 45?
35.
Holy crap, my guy.
And I wanted to get out at 677, 67, but then the thing
Yeah,
was
bro. Okay.
bugging.
Yeah.
So it went all the way up, but then stepped me out and went down. And I got out at a better price actually, 677.52.
Mhm.
That's where I got out when it touched my range. So I did 2 hours on that.
Nice.
And then, because it was bugging, I went short at 10 with my real account. Another good price.
Yeah, around there pretty much. Then you have.
At the view up.
Mhm. Very nice.
Yeah.
Did you survive that one?
I survived, and I took partial. I couldn't take partial because it's I have 1 share on my real account.
Mhm.
I got out at 678. That's where I should have holded.
Yeah.
And then I try it back. It's hard because I cannot see my position that I took on top step.
Oh yeah,
I
yeah.
tried went long, then he went short, stepped me out. Then long again, stepped me out, and then short, then I make some profit. That's it.
Okay. Nice. So Marie's flat, and the rest of us are red. So let's see how we MacGyver that tomorrow.
I'm 2 hour red today.
You too. Yeah, that's not too bad. So, yeah, like maybe it's more annoying for you because you were green, right?
I was more than 2 hour green.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's part of the business. So yeah, that's it for today for everybody. So we're gonna be here tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be like I'm gonna do my best to be as peaky as possible tomorrow because I don't want to keep doing what I'm doing right now. So like I just don't feel comfortable. Like I mean, it's kind of annoying. Like I am not reading the market correctly, and yeah, like it may be just a flaw because of the situation that is going on.
Yeah,
there,
in
but,
all
like,
due respect, it hasn't been easy, right? So, like you say, and Zach had the same perspective. Fundamentals right now are a little
they are thrown through the window,
Yeah,
through the
mhm.
floor.
to the window, to the wall. Yeah.
Yeah, so whatever, we're gonna get my guy right back. So
Mhm.
yeah, I hope you have a good one. I hope everybody is doing better than me right now. So I hope yeah, people enjoy their day. It's almost Christmas, so let's see how we get there. So have a good one, everybody. We're gonna be back tomorrow, and yeah, that's it for today. Bye.